My name is Austin. I work for NTS Tire Supply. I've been with this company for a little over 4 years now, and this is what I do every single day, and I love it. Today I'm working on an older Stagger 4-wheel drive, taking the old bias tires off, and we're putting all new radials on it. The construction of a radial tire is much better than a bias. A radial tire is constructed in two different pieces, so to say. You got your strands that go this way on the tire, and then you got your strands that go around the tire like that. It's going to provide a better ride quality, and that allows the user to get a lot more flatter footprint and hopefully increase traction and reduce compaction. So compared to the radial tire, the bias tire is basically built all in one piece. You got your inner structure of the tire that are diagonal, and they all, from the front to the back, they're all connected in one piece. They're not separate like the radial tire. They don't allow the sidewall to flex as good as a radial, basically. And it's a lot rougher ride. I got 2 tires mounted. I got a bolt on the rear dual, and then basically 6 more to go after that.